This store is only 7 months old and has made over $150,000 in total revenue, but it's not the only one. 66,000, 45,000, 19,000. All these stores are selling a product that is currently trending, and I haven't seen anyone talk about it on YouTube. So, in today's video, I will reveal this product and show you step by step how to launch a similar business and how to use AI to beat your competitors and stand out. Let's get straight to the point. The product is this drinking tumbler, which is currently doing well in a variety of designs and shapes. I'll discuss why this product is booming, how to source it, and the best platforms to sell it on. Additionally, I'll provide tips on leveraging AI tools to optimize your marketing strategy and increase your sales. This isn't just about jumping on a trend, but about understanding the market dynamics and using technology to your advantage. For example, this store specializes in tumblers. They're focusing on selling tumbler designs in different niches, which means they're simply selling a PNG image with a specific design on it. Even though the prices are low, they're making lots of money. We can tell that by looking at the number of daily reviews they're getting. I've also used a paid tool called Allura to get more information about the store. Hey made over $100,000, which is insane in such a short period of 7 months. And if we look at the monthly stats, we can see that they're making about $20,000 a month, which is also insane. This listing alone, for example, makes about $3,000 per month and has generated over $6,000 in total revenue. As you can see, they've uploaded over 1,300 listings. That's why they're able to generate these numbers. And that's why I always say, the more you upload, the faster you'll see results. And this is not the only store, as there are also different ones making crazy numbers as well. So you might be thinking now, how to make money with this product? Well, there are two possible ways. The first way is by selling physical tumblers, and the second, by selling digital designs like the store we've seen before. Both methods are currently popular. So no matter what you choose, there will be room to make money, and we'll cover both ways anyway, so don't worry. Let's start with selling physical tumblers. This method works by creating a design and then uploading it to a print-on-demand platform like Printify, which will help you fulfill and ship the order straight to your customers. Let me explain everything in detail so you can understand. The first thing you need is to open an Etsy store if you don't already have one and connect it to Printify. Now, opening an Etsy store is free, but listing a product costs 20 cents. So after opening your Etsy store, head to printify.com and sign up for a free account. From there, you can connect your Etsy store by clicking on Add New Store at the top and then signing into your Etsy account. If Etsy isn't available in your area, you can still use the same strategy on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which you can also connect with Printify. After completing these two steps, we can start creating the product design using Midjourney. If you still don't know what Midjourney is, it's simply an AI image generator. You can basically generate any image you want by writing a line of text, which is called a prompt. To use Midjourney, you first need to create a free Discord account. After that, head to midjourney.com and create an account to get started. You've now joined the Midjourney server. However, to use the images commercially, you must have a paid subscription. If you're just getting started, the $10 plan will be enough. To generate images on Midjourney, it's really simple. All you need to do is type / and then choose the Imagine option. After that, you can describe the image you want to create. Let's say, for example, you want to do a similar design to this product right here. All you need to do is choose the right keywords that describe the design and use them to write the prompt. Then you can get more creative and choose the image style, for example. Since we're creating a tumbler design, the image needs to be wider and not square like the normal Midjourney images. To do that, you need to change something like the aspect ratio. This could be done by typing /AR and then your preferred aspect ratio, which in this case will be 16.9. By using the right description, image style, and aspect ratio, you'll be able to generate cool looking designs. After generating the design, you can move to the final step, which is listing your product. The process will be the same whether it's a t-shirt, mug, poster, or whatever. Simply go to Printify and pick the product you want to sell. In this case, we want tumblers, So I'll hover over the catalog and choose bottles and tumblers. As you can see, you'll have different options, and you're free to choose whatever you like. Let's use this one for example. Once you open the product, you'll need to choose a print provider. Usually you'll have multiple providers, but there's only one option for this product, so I'll click on Start Designing. Now upload the design you've created in Midjourney and make sure it fits the print area by clicking on this option right here. On the right, you'll have the option to add text in case you want to create personalized products like this one for example. If you click on Preview, you'll be able to see what the end product will look like. Once you're done, click on Save Product to move to the final step. On this page, you can edit the product information and make it ready to publish, starting with the product title and description. The best thing you can do is look for similar listings and see what's already working for them. Just make sure not to copy everything word for word. Moving to the price section, having a profit margin of 60 to 70% will be great. However, I suggest lowering your price at the beginning to get a few sales, and after that, you can increase it. Once you're done, click on Publish, and just like that, you've listed your product on Etsy. You can still edit your listing from your Etsy dashboard. For example, you can add more images or text, which is also important. Now, when you get an order, it will be automatically sent to Printify. Printify then makes the order ready and ships it straight to your customer. Let's say you got an order for $30. You then go to Printify and order the product for $15. Printify will print the order and ship it directly to your customer. That way, you've made a $15 profit without worrying about printing, shipping, or even inventory. That was the first method. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I'll be happy to answer. Now I'll show you the second way, which is selling tumbler designs like the store you've seen before. The process is pretty much the same except for how you list the product, because now you'll be selling digital products, not physical ones. Let's say you want to sell a bundle that includes 5 different tumbler designs. Like before, you'll start by creating the designs in Midjourney. After that, upload your designs to a Google Drive or Dropbox folder. Your goal now is to redirect your customers to this folder after the purchase so they can access their product. Start by adding the product information such as title, description, price, etc. But most importantly, make sure the product type is set to digital. Then scroll down to where it says Digital Files and attach the PDF you've created. Finally, click on Publish and you'll be ready to go. To maximize your reach, consider sharing your new listing on social media and using relevant hashtags to attract more potential buyers. Engage with your customers by offering tips on how they can customize the designs further or use them in creative ways. With this approach, you'll be well on your way to building a successful digital product business. Please remember that no matter what you do, if you want to see results, you must put time and effort into it. I'm not saying that you'll make $100,000 in 7 months. I'm just trying to tell you that it is possible to make money online if you work hard and take everything you do seriously. That was the end of today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.